Happy Freedom Friday, everyone. I'm so thrilled that you're here with me today. Whether you're watching live or catching the replay, welcome. And a special word of welcome to my live attendees. The usuals, Belinda, Bella, Peter, Magda, and all the others. I really appreciate it very much that you are watching me. Enjoy this time spent on building a better future for you and your family. Now, my name is Lynette Barnors, and I'm coming to you from the beautiful town Vanderbijlpark, South Africa. Today, we are diving into something super excited. How I started my second income without being tech savvy or famous. This is all about making real, consistent income online in a way that's simple, stress-free, and completely doable, even if you feel like you are not online enough or you think you don't have the skills. Before we jump in, if you want my free guide, no time, no money, no problem, pop a no dash time in the comments and I'll send it to you free of charge. And if you're catching this as a replay, drop a replay and I'd love to give a shout out to you. Let me start by being honest with you. I wasn't a tech wizard. I didn't have a huge following. I didn't even know where to start online. I really remember feeling overwhelmed just thinking about websites, apps, or social media platforms. Sounds familiar? You're not alone. I did not even open my own Facebook account back in 2017 when I started. My friend Anne-Marie was so helpful and kind to do it for me. And then she said, we must now invite my friends to join me online, which we did. When I joined Deelpoint, I had a moment of real honesty with myself. I realized I was too grown up to spend my days approaching strangers in malls or trying to sell face to face. Not that I mind doing it, but I just cannot do it physically. And truthfully, I didn't want to pressure my family or friends to help me build my own income either. That's when I made a decision that completely changed my life. I needed to learn how to work online. As I started exploring, one fact really hit me. Millions of people are on Facebook every single day. I also knew that in South Africa alone, around 90% of people are actively looking for ways to earn extra income. And suddenly, the light bulb went off. It all made sense. Why chase a handful of people in real life when there's a whole world online looking for solutions? I truly believe that Deelpoint provides an opportunity for people to create extra income in today's challenging economic environment in South Africa. But at first, I had no idea where to even begin. I had never used Facebook at all, never mind using it to build a business. I wasn't scrolling endlessly to try and copy what anybody else was doing. I just started using it intentionally, step by step, to build my income. I learned to share value, connect with people genuinely. People are people, they're not robots, they want people, genuine people. And then create opportunities without feeling pushy or salesy. Fast forward to the 10-year Deelpoint Convention, also known as their annual Converge function, and something incredible happened. I was awarded the Pioneer accolade for being the first person to put Dewpoint on social media. Now, at the time when I started, very few people were using social media, and many people told me it wouldn't work because Dewpoint was traditionally a belly-to-belly business. But today, social media has become a standard way for people in Dewpoint to connect, share, and grow their income. It's amazing to see how something I started as a simple experiment has now become a standard practice across the company. And it all began because I took a leap to learn, adapt, and share online. Yes, there's a lot of people who told me this is never going to work. But I've got a thing in me, I will show you I can do it. And I did. But this experience taught me a huge lesson. You don't have to be tech savvy, famous, or perfect to start something that changes your life entirely. You just have to start, stay consistent, and be willing to learn along the way. The results will follow. But so many people are scared of technology, especially when they want to create a second income. But they think they need tech skills they don't have, thousands of followers, a massive budget. But here's the truth, you don't need any of that. What you do need is guidance, consistency, and a system that works. And that's exactly what I found when I discovered Dewpoint. They are perfectly suited for online marketing. I know some of you are thinking, Lynette, but I'm not famous. I don't have a brand. How can I even start? And that's exactly what I want to talk about today. How to start your second income from scratch in real, relatable, and an achievable way. Can I get a thumbs up in the comments if that resonates with you? Let me see, does it resonate with you? Good. Before we get into it how, let's talk about mindset. So often people feel guilty about wanting to earn more. They say things like, it's selfish to want extra income. I'm not good enough for this. But here's the truth. It's not selfish. Especially in today's world where living costs are rising. Having a second income isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's not a necessary, it's a necessity. When I decided I wanted more for myself and my family, I gave myself permission. Permission to learn. Permission to take small steps. Permission to fail sometimes, to make mistakes, because failure is part of your journey. If you're feeling stuck, know this, the biggest barrier isn't tech, fame, or money. It's the belief that you can't do it. Let me repeat that. It's the belief that you can't do it, because you can. And today I want to help break through that. Type yes in the chat if you are ready to give yourself permission to earn more. Type it in the chat, let's see. Now let's get practical. Here's how I started my second income. First, I started off with what I knew. Even though I wasn't tech savvy, I knew people, I knew challenges, and I knew solutions. I don't have to know everything. You just need to know who you want to help. And that's about 90% of South Africans. I really want to help them because people are desperately looking for an extra income. A real one that is not a scam or a scheme, one that can produce results. And that's exactly what I'm doing for the past 10 years. Secondly, I found a proven system. Now, when I started, it wasn't a proven system. It just was launched. But guess what? I really could see that I can do it. I can ask people, are you perhaps open to earn an income? And then if they say yes, send them the info. What I love is that I never have to sell products. In all these years, I never sold one single product. I just ask people, do you want to make money? Anyone can do that. Dewpoint provided a structured, step-by-step process. There's no products to stock, no tricky tech. They give you an app that contains all your training, and everything you need to know is on that app. They give you guidance. They've got the free services of their call center, and the admin staff is looking after you to help you to build your business. Thirdly, I took small, consistent steps. I didn't try to do it all at once. One email, one message, one post at a time. It adds up faster than you think. Number 4, I leveraged the power of community. Surround yourself with people who are doing what you want to do. Ask questions, learn from their experiences. At that point, I started paying close attention to how people were actually building businesses online. I explored different strategies, watched other social media marketers, and tried to understand what really worked. One approach that really stood out to me was the way Tanya Liza teaches online marketing. She's in the trenches for, I think, about 16 years now. So I think she should know what she's doing. And she's nailing it. Her methods weren't just about posting randomly or chasing followers. They were about using social media with intention, structure, and purpose. Yes, I looked at others too, but I quickly realized that Tanya's teachings truly resonated with me. And I believe that you stick to one. If you join all of them, you make none of anything. So I decided that I will follow Tanya Liza, and I'm still doing it. It felt practical, doable, and aligned with how I wanted to build my business. I made a conscious decision to stick with her guidance and focus on applying her strategies step by step. That decision opened my eyes to what's truly possible when you approach online businesses strategically. It showed me that you don't need to be a tech genius or have massive followings. You just need a clear plan, consistency, and the willingness to take action on what you learn. To take action on what you learn. And that was the turning point for me. It's what helped me to go from being unsure and overwhelmed to actually seeing results, building confidence, and creating a system I could rely on. Now, I'll be honest, at the time, I didn't have extra money to invest in courses or training. That's the first prize, but I simply did not have it. And like many people, I had to be very careful with every single rand. But I noticed that they often host live webinars and online training sessions where they share valuable insights and then offer their full cost courses at a cost. But here's where the things shifted for me. They give you a portion of the training for free, just enough to make to give you salt so that you are thirsty, or to get you started and understand the basics. And instead of thinking, I can't afford this, so I'll do nothing, I made a different decision. I took that free information and I actually applied it. That's the most part people miss. The biggest secret to building an online business isn't having all the courses, all the tools, or all the knowledge. The real secret is simple. You must apply what you learn. I want to say it 3 times. You must apply what you learn. If you learn things and you don't apply it, it means nothing. You can watch hours and hours of training, attend every webinar, and follow all the right people. But if you don't take action, nothing changes. And I love Tanya say of done is better than perfect. Just start. If you make a video and it's horrible, it's okay. You made it. That's how we learn, by doing it over and over again. You don't start from the top. You start from the bottom. So I started small. I implemented one idea at a time. I tested things. I learned as I went. And slowly but surely things began to shift for me. That experience taught me something powerful. You don't need to have everything figured out before you start. You don't need a big budget. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to take what you have, use what's available to you right now, and take action consistently. Because when you do that, even the smallest piece of information can turn into something life-changing. Number 5, I celebrated progress, not perfection. Every small win mattered, even if it was just learning how to post a link or to share a post online. Progress is progress. For example, one of the teachings was simple in theory, tagging people in your post. But I had no idea how to do that at the beginning. 10 years ago, there were no LLMs, large language models like ChatGPT. I am calling it lovingly Chatty, or Copilot to guide me. I literally had to Google everything, figure it out step by step, and learn through trial and error. It was a battle, I won't lie. I spent hours testing, learning, and sometimes failing. But here's the thing, I persisted. I refused to give up, and slowly I mastered it. Now tagging, posting, and using social media strategically is second nature to me. I do it every day, and I still love it. It's a skill I can rely on every day to grow my business, connect with people, and build opportunities online. Looking back, I realized those early struggles were some of the most valuable lessons. They taught me that even if something seems confusing or intimidating at first, with persistence and application, you can turn it into a powerful tool in your online business toolkit. Of course, it wasn't always easy. I hit obstacles like feeling overwhelmed by online tools. I can know that so well. Doubting myself when results were slow. Getting distracted by shiny new strategies. But here's what helped me focus. Focus on what works and ignore the noise. Viewpoint gave me a clear roadmap. If you do this, you get that. And it is fair and available for everybody. I didn't have to guess. I just followed the plan. And here's the magical part. The income started slowly, then consistently grew. I didn't have to sell anyone anything. I didn't have to convince my friends. It was simple, predictable, and repeatable. If you feel like you're too small or unknown, remember this. You don't need fame, followers, or a tech degree. You need a plan, persistence, and a system that works. Type small steps if you are ready to take your first step today. Type it in the chat. Let me see. Small steps. Let's pause for a moment. I want you to imagine your life if you had a second income. Think about it. less stress about bills, freedom to make choices, more time for family, hobbies, and peace of mind. It doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen when you start today. I want to empower you to believe in your potential. You don't have to be tech savvy. You don't have to be famous. You just have to decide that your financial future matters enough to take action. Here's my mantra: build once, earn forever. You can set things up today that will reward you month after month, long after the initial effort. Drop in the comments the word freedom if you want to build recurring income. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you, if you're ready to take the first step, I've put together a free guide. No time, no money, no problem. It shows you exactly how I got started, and it's 100% free. Comment no -time below and I'll send it to you free of charge. If you're watching the replay, drop a #replay, no time, and I will send it to you too. And if you want even more tools and guidance, check out my YouTube channel, Lynette's Wealth Mastery. Here I share weekly tips to help you create recurring income and financial freedom. Just hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a session. But there are more of the same topics available on my website and my blog, www.lynettebadenhorst.com/blogs. I spell my name LINNETTEBADENHORST. I repeat it, LINNETTEBADENHORST.com/blogs. Remember, this is about building confidence, freedom, and a future you control. You're not alone. You don't have to figure it out by yourself. Thank you so much for joining me this Freedom Friday. I hope you are leaving today feeling empowered, motivated, and ready to take action, because the magic word is action. Take action. Recurring income is the gateway to freedom, flexibility, and peace of mind. Start where you are. Stay consistent. Celebrate every win, no matter how small. Your journey starts with a single decision. Make that decision today. Take action and know that I'm here to walk this journey with you. Until next week, stay motivated, stay consistent, and remember, build once and earn forever. Bye for now, Freedom Friday family. See you next week.